Hi guys, welcome back to Addis Creation in our kitchen. Well, today I'm making pasta and Italian sausage, okay? And I have my water for my pasta. It's soon boil up, and I'm gonna put my sausage on the grill and there, and I'm gonna do it in the red tomato sauce. So let's go. So right now my sausage is on the stove, and it's gonna be roasting. I'm just grilling it plain like that. It will form its own juice, and when the water starts boiling up, I'll add salt and some oil, and I'll put my pasta inside of it. Okay, so let's see what's going on right now in Addis kitchen. 001. Yay, they're coming along. It's kind of burn. Don't want them to burn. So my water is boiling up. Look at that. I'm gonna add my pasta. Don't, guys, remember, don't add your pasta unless the water is boiling up, okay? Okay, so now I'm going to add my pasta. I already put salt and oil. Yeah, you get it. See that boil? Now I'm going to take these out, and I'm going to cut them very small. So I turn the stove down. See? I'm going to cut up each one. So right now, I'm going to add back all the sausage into a pot to fry until inside pink, so everything will not be pink. So I add little some oil to fry. After I cut them up, my pasta seems like it's coming along. I'm going to use that basil for the tomato sauce. Now I think my pasta is ready. You see? So I'm gonna get it out of this water, and I don't know if I'm gonna be able to video it. I'm gonna get it out of the water right now. Okay guys, so here's a couple of things that I'm going to put into my sauce. I don't know if this pot is too small. I'm going to continue using it. Oh, it burned me. Well, the onion, I have the onion. I have the tomato sauce. I have some roasted garlic, or just garlic powder. And I have my own little seasoning that I make up in this. You know, we're Jamaican. We're going to put our own little mixture of seasoning to give it flavor, because I don't think this tomato sauce has the flavor that I am looking for. You don't have to do that, but I do that. And then I have chopped garlic right here, plus regular garlic, pepper, and my basil leaf, fresh basil, and the onion. So I'm gonna add everything to that sausage right now. Onion first. Onion first. because I love when onion burn, and the garlic as well. I'll cut these garlic, tiny. Then I add the garlic. So the garlic and the onion, I want it to burn a little, you know. My sausage is kind of burning, but it's fine. It'll be okay. I am gonna use this pepper, because we have to have pepper in our dish, you know. You just can't eat certain things without pepper. We're up a little of the basil, scallion and my basil. Right now, sorry that, oh, everything is burning. I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. I'm gonna add my tomato sauce. I can get it to open. Ooh. I must admit, those sausage just burn me up. Anyways, adding my tomato sauce, and I'm gonna stir that up. I'm gonna add my little seasoning, my little mix spices, and a little garlic powder. There's no salt in this, it's just garlic powder, but I love the flavor of garlic in that tomato sauce thing. Honestly, this is for the kids. I don't really like these kind of stuff. I'm just making it for them. It's a roasted garlic with rosemary and sea salt. Just a little bit. I'm just putting a little tiny bit in it, so I give it a different flavor. That's all you need. Plus, don't forget your chopped garlic. Don't forget the chopped garlic. Okay. And I just put a little of the chopped garlic, and that will give it the flavor. Very nice, delicious flavor. And adding my fresh basil. Yes, turn up the stove a little and let it. So you see what I use, guys. I put the little seasoning, the onion, the scallion, and some garlic, chopped garlic, basil. And if you have black pepper, you could put it, but I'm not putting it. Chopped garlic, powdered garlic, just to get it that nice flavor. And I also put fresh pepper. Tastes real good. They're gonna love it. Okay, so right now I have to put the pasta back into this pot, the sauce, because the other pot was too small. And now I'm gonna add my pasta. So once you add the pasta to the sauce, you just let it cook for like 1 to 2 minutes. Let it cook down with the sauce for 1 to 2 minutes or so. So everything will warm up and delicious. So about 1 to 2 minutes and we're good to go. So I just add some Parmesan cheese and just the basil to let it look pretty. And that's my finished product. So that's my pasta and Italian sausage. I hope you enjoyed this video today, and thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Well,